Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 14 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. So today I woke up at 6 a.m. and I had slept a bit late last night, so yeah, it was 1 hour late to wake up, but okay. Then I drank 2 glasses of water and prayed. After that, I worked out and did meditation and some breathing exercise. After that, I journaled and got freshened up, had my breakfast. Then I planned out today's task, whatever I had to do. After that, uh, there was a issue with this one photographer. Okay, so I think in the last video I had told that I was being chosen for this anklet shoot, and they were asking me to send them my feet's photos. So he asked me like to send so many photos in different angles and all to make a portfolio. Until then it was fine, but something was very weird about him. I don't know, but I felt little more uncomfortable after some, here and there conversation. So then he asked me to send him, like, once I had applied one color nail paint and sent him so many pics, which literally took me half of my day. And then he asked me to apply another nail paint, and that too not one, two nail paints, okay, and to send those. So I told that I was busy, so that would not be possible right now, and I'll send it once I'm done with my work. But I did not send it to him, okay. Now just tell me, what should I do? Like, didn't feel like genuine. It was not even like a professional. We get to know the difference between the professional people and just people who are there for time pass or to use your skills or your work. So I first felt it was genuine, so I sent him the photos and all. He had this model photos and everything on his page. That's why I felt it could be like real, but it was not. I feel, I still don't know, but it was something very off. It didn't feel very professional or real. That's why I kept it aside and did not go for further any conversations. But let me know, what do you think about this? Do you feel it was real or not? Okay, then after that I did the longest shoot of my life, maybe. So it was for like around 3 to 4 hours. I did wore, like, I ordered a dress. It was really pretty and I loved that dress. That's why it took me very long time to, like, shoot in it. Means I wanted different variations, many videos, many photos. I did not want it to miss out on anything. That's why I took the best out of that dress, and that's why it took me such a long time. But okay, it was a great time. I enjoyed. I really felt pretty. I felt like a strong feminine lady in that dress. So it was really beautiful. If you want to know more about the dress, or you want to order it for yourself, then let me know. I'm gonna link that dress in the description box only if you comment. So yeah, after that I had my lunch. It was already like 3 o'clock something. No, not 3 exact, like it was between 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So I then had my lunch and started with the editing part. After that, I even had done some model walks during that shoot time, okay, to see how my walk is and all. And I realized that I was not able to balance myself when I wore the heels and walked on very smooth surfaces. So we have like this normal tiles which are very smooth, okay, and usually we can walk on them with other slippers, but heels are kind of slippery on that, right? So in those surfaces, it was kind of difficult for me to walk. I felt like I was slipping all the time, but I wasn't actually, but I felt so. And I have noticed that in most of the shows, model shoes or in the shoots, they have this smooth surfaces only. So it is very important that I learn to walk on that without getting scared, or getting this fear that I might slip down. That's what I have to learn, okay. So yeah, that is what I realized, and shooting yourself really helps because you get to know what are the mistakes that you are making, what is anything that is like related. You can know your body movement, your hand, your feet, your legs movement or head movement, everything you can get to know, and it's a better way to self learn. So I would also suggest that, and even I will gonna do more of that, okay. After that, I practiced, and then I had my bath and went to have my dinner. After that, I did some editing and then went to sleep at 9:30. So that was the end of the day 14. It was kind of good, not much of productive, but I feel doing the shoot and editing was really good. It was kind of nice. I enjoyed that day. Okay, then I'll see you in the next day. Until then, bye, take care.